So this is the Hoover Dam. Yeah, it's just hard to tell, but it is a long, long ways down there. When we were driving over the bridge, I told Jake we were 700 feet off the canyon floor, and it made him nervous. We're parked straight over there in that parking deck. Weird thing that we're in the middle of this, it's still wet. So this right here is how dry the lake is. When the water is full pool, it comes up above those screens right there and feeds the turbines. Right now they're running the turbines, but they're not running at heavy capacity. Hoover Dam. So all of this water, when it's full pool, it actually overflows into that over there. And I'm fixing to walk over there and show you how big that is. Alright, so here's the spillway. It spills over the tops of these right here and spills through this, goes under the dam here, comes out on the other side over there, and then below the dam it comes out each side of the river. And when they want to lower the water level, that's what they do. They just open these gates and lower it. However, it's been years since the lake has been full, so starting to look like it's not even necessary. One guy was talking and said that there's enough water to spill over here that it will be equivalent to the Niagara Falls. I don't know, sounds like a story to me. That's the interstate bridge, or future interstate bridge over the canyon. Just made right into the sidewall of the canyon. So the dam is actually way down here. Bridge behind us, pretty massive. Got guards over here.
See, look, we are over the.
So we're getting to drive
this is the border.
Across the Hoover Dam here. It's pretty crowded here on March the 12th. And that's the big bridge over there. It's like 700 feet above the canyon floor. And there is the water line. It's still, I don't know, 100 feet from normal pool level. We're gonna come back here and video some of how deep this is. Just a little bit up, maybe. Yeah, here's where all that water can flow through.